Going out of your way, a guide to understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations. Go out of one's way. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clarify its usage. Go out of one's way is an idiom that means to make a special effort to do something, especially when it is not easy, expected, or convenient. It involves doing something that is beyond what is normal or expected in a situation, often to help someone else or to achieve a particular goal. This phrase emphasizes the idea of putting an extra effort or taking additional steps that one wouldn't normally take. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Helping others. She really went out of her way to make sure I felt welcome at the new job. Making an effort in work or tasks. He went out of his way to ensure the project was completed on time. Showing kindness or consideration. They went out of their way to visit me when I was sick. In each of these examples, the phrase, go out of one's way, highlights an extra level of effort, kindness, or dedication that is not ordinarily expected. The meaning of go out of one's way can slightly change depending on the context. It is generally used in a positive sense, to praise or highlight someone's effort or kindness. However, it can also be used in contexts where someone puts an extra effort for less positive reasons. Understanding the context and the tone of the conversation is crucial to grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Go out of one's way is a beautiful expression that captures the essence of going beyond the call of duty, whether to help someone, to accomplish a task, or to show kindness. By incorporating this phrase into your English vocabulary, you can more accurately express the idea of making a special effort. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the richness of the phrase, go out of one's way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.